Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Today we intend to thoroughly review the dashboard of the Capital.com broker. As you can see, after logging into your account on this broker, you are faced with this page. On this page, at the top right corner, you can see the Fund Your Account option. By clicking on this option, you can fund your account using various methods. By clicking on this section, you can view the exact balance of your live account. And if you intend to create a new live or demo account for yourself, you can do so in this section. You select your desired account to this CFD or MetaTrader and click on Continue. In the next step, you need to select the currency for this account and click on Create Account. You need to set a password for your account and click on Create. And on the next page, the login details for the MT4 account will be provided to you. And in this section, you can set your desired leverage for this account. Well, by clicking on the next section, you can access some other features. In this section, we again have the deposit option. And in the next section, which is My Accounts, you can view the details of your live and demo accounts. Also in the personal details section, the details you provided during registration are displayed to you. Or you can close your account. In the change password section, you can change your account password. And in the two-factor authentication section, you can set up two-factor authentication for logging in or withdrawing from your account. And after setting this up, you can, in the API section, create a programming interface for yourself. In the device activity section, you can see the devices with which you have logged into your personal account on the Capital.com broker, which are shown to you in detail. And in the notifications section, you can specify how different notifications are sent to you, and in the platform settings section, you can also change the displayed language of the site, change the chart's time zone, and change the time frame and type of chart to your preference. By entering the next section, you can view your rebate. Capital Lot Broker. This feature allows you to earn more rebates by making more trades and across different assets. You can view your rebate level and the volume you have traded in these assets in this section. In the next section, you can request to upgrade your account to Pro. In the Pro account type, the leverage you can use for trading is higher. By clicking on the Trade Options button, you can change your trading method, and you can choose between normal mode and hedging mode. You can also change the leverage used in different assets. If you have submitted a ticket or request regarding different parts of the website, you can receive the response to your request in this section. And in the statement section, you can obtain the statement for a specific account by specifying the time range and the desired account. By clicking on the Switch to Demo option, you enter your demo account, where the balance of this account and the amount of profit or loss are displayed to you. And by clicking on this option, you log out of your account. In the next section, you will see this table where various symbols are displayed with their latest changes. In this section, you can place a buy or sell trade request. Also, by clicking on this option, this symbol is added to your chart. You can view the displayed symbols in this section under different categories, or you can add or remove them from your watch list. Regarding the selected symbol, by clicking on this option, you can view more details. Also, the trading hours of this symbol will be displayed to you. In the next section, you can view the news related to the selected symbol, and in the next section, you will see the price depth. At the bottom of the page, you can view the chart of the selected symbol, which will be available to you with various tools. By clicking on this option, you can enlarge the chart and conduct your analyses on it. Tools such as various types of indicators and different patterns will be available to you. You can view this chart in different time frames. Well, on the left side, you can enter the Discover section. In this section, all market symbols are displayed in various categories, such as the highest trade volume, the highest growth, and so on. The highest decline is also shown to you. And in the next section, you can view news related to these symbols. You can choose different charts. In this section and in the chart section, you can view and use the complete chart of these symbols. In the portfolio section, you can view the details of your trading profits or losses here. And by clicking on the reports option, you will be provided with a report of these details. Again, in this section, you have the deposit option, which you can learn about in our videos on deposits and withdrawals. You can observe how to use the methods in this section, and in the Invite Friends section, you can view your personal link. Using this link, you can invite your friends to this broker and receive rewards. In the calendar section, you can view the economic calendar of the Capital.com site. This provides you with news in various categories. If you have received a message, you can view this message. In this section, which is available to you under the categories of analysis or notifications. You can also change the site's theme to dark mode in this section. If in any part of the site, if you have any problems or questions, you can click on the live chat option to connect with the online support team and get guidance for your issue. And again, you can see the setting option in this section. Well, that was the complete explanation. Board Broker Capital. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.